Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have entry number 56 and this is coming from Brenda Santiago. And oh my goodness, let's see what she's put in here. She did ask them not to bend the packages, but I think they have. They've bent it, babe, but that is okay. It's okay. We will get in and see what kind of damages the nail pen has done. Oh my goodness, I see purple. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's more. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna put this over to the side and we're gonna do this last so we can see this after. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Let's just go with this first. Let's see our little note. She has a note here for me. Oh, look at her notepad. Oh my gosh. Make it happen. But first, coffee. Yes. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to enter your challenge. Oh, girl, you don't have to thank me. I need to thank you for joining. Enclosed, please find my entry, memory decks, and I also oh my gosh, for you, a wand, which I love making. I also shared some festive Halloween flowers made by Crafting for Fun. Oh my goodness, I have her flowers. I hope you enjoy everything. I do not have a VR, but I did post on my IG. That counts, babe. I got you down for an IG. Yes, yes, that counts. IG with your hashtag. You are awesome. Wishing you the best and happiest of birthdays. Oh, thank you, love. Thank you so very much. Let's see. So she has this gorgeous tassel. Look at this. She has a bottle cap and she's got her little beads here. Some pearl beads, gold spacers, and the black bead, orange and white bead. And then she has all this eyelash trim. It's so fun. Oh my gosh. And she has this gold bow up on the top. So pretty with her orange twine wrapped around the eyelash trim. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Love it. Love it. And then she said these were made by, not her, but she gifted it to me, Crafting for Fun. Oh my gosh, aren't these just so deliciously lush? Like, I mean, look at her back paper also. Oh my gosh. And she's got some Halloween confetti in here. Oh, so very pretty. The purple and the black is always so stunning to me. She's got the Dollar Tree foam centers and there's like 10 million layers of flowers in this thing. I don't want to open it. She's got her little foam pumpkin here with the little witchy hat up on top. So cute. And this one says it's witching hour. She's got some eyelash trim and some paper ruffles here and some orange background glitter paper. Oh my gosh, so adorable. I am not opening this. No way, no way. I'm keeping that for me. Now she did make the wand, and it says handmade with love by Brenda, and her Instagram is live.lovecraft, and also on YouTube it's live.lovecraft for Instagram and her YouTube. I love that she has her own sticker. Oops. Oh well, I was trying to save the tissue. Oh man, but that's okay. Let's go see her magical wand. This beautiful purple. I love this color. In case you didn't know, guys. In case you didn't know. Oh my goodness. Look at this Halloween magic. Oh my gosh. Okay, to dissect this beautiful thing, she has, oh, and she has chipboard on the back too. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so where do we start? We start from the top. I think start from the top. So on her back, to cover the center, she used the chipboard, and I don't know if this is the Oh, what's that collection? Oh my gosh, I just can't remember. Anyway, beautiful chipboard on the back. And then she has this gorgeous orange rosette that she glittered the edges. So pretty with the silver colored glitter. So pretty. And then she has a die cut of a spider web on top of that. And on top of the spider web, she's got glitter on the spider web, but she also has eyelash trim, some white and silver holographic eyelash trim. And then she also has another rosette with the fancy edges right here. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then she also has some chipboard. Well, actually this is like a cupcake topper. So cute. I love using those things, guys. I think these two are cupcake toppers and they're so gorgeous. She also used the Dollar Tree spider ring that I'm so in love with. I still have a whole bunch in my stash. And then she has the little girly here. Oh my goodness, the paper collection it's just at the tip of my tongue. And then it says not so scary, and with the bat right here, bat sequence. And she has her little balloon, Halloween balloon right here. So much detail. And look at all her gorgeous ribbon, Halloween ribbon. So she has the orange glitter. She has this black ribbon with the orange pumpkins and the green vines. And then this white ribbon with the wonderful witch hats, all different colors. And then she added another orange ribbon right here. She's got this gorgeous faux leather, glittered leather bow right up on top. And then she has this flat back cabochon, the pumpkin, and this witch hat. And then she used this pumpkin straw with a pom-pom right on the bottom, on the very, very tip. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. And then she also has her little sticker on the wand. Thank you for doing that. Yes, I love that. So I might be using that idea too, girl. Just saying. So let's get to her memory dex card. This is beautiful. Let me take it out of the plastic, guys. Live.lovecraft is her Instagram and YouTube. So I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box. And then we have a little boy, little girl, little redheads going trick-or-treating. And look at this cute pumpkins. They're little foam, glitter foam pumpkins. And the tombstone says, I'm a goner. This one says, so spooktacular. There's a little bat up on the top with some googly eyes. So cute. Her memory dex is a die and it has little hearts all the way around it. I don't know if you guys can see. Also on the bottom here, bottom edge, and up on the top. And then here's the little girl again with her lovely balloons, Halloween balloons. And I think she put some glossy accents on here. So cute. I love glossy accents. And she's got some velvet ribbon down on the bottom. And look at this, the teeniest, tiniest candy corn detail right there. But of course, because they're trick-or-treating. And then they got the little eyelash trim there. So let's see on the back, she has her information and it says her Instagram, live.lovecraft. Favorite colors are mint, green, pink, pastels, and gold. Her favorite holidays are Easter, Halloween, and Christmas. Oh, there you go. Perfect match for me. Still haven't figured out my craft style, and her birthday is March 20th. Oh my goodness. Brenda, thank you so much, love. And she also included her sticker on the back. So that is amazing. Thank you, love. I'm just going to refasten this down because I don't want it to fall off just in case. And lose her info. Oh, you know how that goes. Sometimes it'll fall. But there you go, guys. Go check her out. She posts a lot of her creations on Instagram. That's what I've seen so far. But yeah, check her out. Show her some crafty love. And thank you all for watching. If you guys can see all this gorgeousness. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I love everything, girly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.